Literally riding on a cliffside right now. This is beautiful. Well, I gotta find a place to park. Easy now, buddy. Exactly why I wanted to bring my bike, because I can do shit like this. Dude's got surfboards actually. I wouldn't want to do that to them. Fuck, I'm right here, right in the front. Alright, swag.
Let's go, man.
What's good? How you guys doing?
Hey, how's it going?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. I was wondering if I can rent a kayak for one.
Have you rented from us before?
Not from you guys.
How do you process waiver real quick?
Yeah, no worries.
What bike you riding?
That's Z07.
Nice. Total will be $27.38 after tax. I do have to hold on to a card and ID while you're out there with the equipment.
Is that? And then I'll bring that out right now. Okay, cool. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. I'm just gonna go change real quick. Alright, we're all ready. Good to go. Just gonna leave my clothes and my helmet here. I'm just waiting for the dude, so he knows that I'm leaving my stuff here. Okay, so I just paddled out, but I don't even know if you guys saw it because of the brim of my hat. So I'm gonna take my hat off, but I'm also gonna get a little drone shot right now too. I'm gonna see if I can pull it off, man. This is kind of sketch, but let's see what we can do. I brought my landing pad right here, which is gonna be sick. Oh fuck, shit heavy. Oh, it's a big ass landing pad. That's good. This is good. I'm a little nervous, dude. I'm not gonna lie. And you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go show this clip to these guys and be like, hey yo, maybe I can do a little marketing video for you, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what got the fullest battery. Okay. I'm gonna put the SD card. Dang, I wish I could show you guys the takeoff and shit. Dang, this is why I need another SD card. I lost my other one, you know, so else this would have been sick. Connect the aircraft. Okay guys, I gotta turn this off and see you guys in the air. Yo, I am exhausted. We got the shots. They look fucking sick. A police helicopter went over me. And I thought I was gonna get in trouble, but nothing happened. But yeah, I'm gonna pack this shit up. I guess you guys can see it. Man, I really wish I can show you guys the process, like the liftoff and shit like that. The last one, I actually did 2 shots. I went up twice. The second time, when I was bringing it down, I got kind of scared because it was like weaving off to the side and stuff. So when it was coming down, I slammed it. I didn't slam it, but I like kind of like used my hands and then kind of like cut my hands a little because the propellers got me. But yeah, I would say this was a successful trip. All right, I'm gonna take this shit off my head. I gotta relax. All right guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to kayak. You paddle left to go right, you paddle right to go left. Kind of weird, but once you're in the water, it all makes sense. That was fun, man.
Wow. Awesome. What do you like that?
Yeah, on my drone, I got some drone shots too. That shit was dope.
Email those to the shop if you got any good ones.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Anytime anyone that rents a gear, like if they take photos and we like them, we'll be like, yeah, we'll throw them on our Instagram.
Yeah, yeah, for sure, yeah. But
And I know I'ma be one when I walk off. Feel like crazy. I got what you
hello, how's it going? Can I get 5 on whatever's behind 3? I didn't see. It's the motorcycle. 4? Cool, thank you. Have a good day.